you press any one of them, a Lego piece or a Lego piece will come out of that same color. So if we press the brown button, here comes out a brown Lego piece. If we press the red button, there's a red Lego piece that comes out. And if you press the pink one, last one, then there's a pink Lego piece. So this Lego vending machine is very simple to build, requires few pieces, and has a very simple mechanism. So without further ado, let's see how this Lego sort of vending machine works. So basically, there's this one little piece here. There's this one piece here that's like this. And if you see, I have some half pins that are connected to studs right here, like this. So if you put those together, then and you can see that I have like this piece, these pieces right here that are connected and pushed into this 1x4 brick with 3 holes in it. So when you press the half pin all the way in, it doesn't go in all the way because the top of the studs, of these stacked studs, are blocking it. But when you push this and push it all the way in, this pops out because now its room is taken. So and then it goes right down this channel and then comes out of the main vending machine. So as you can see, this vending machine is very simple to make, and let's begin the tutorial. Okay, to begin this tutorial, first you will need a 4x4 plate. Okay. Next, you're going to place these 3 1x4 bricks on them, like this. Okay. And then what you're gonna do is take a 1x2 tile, this one, and then place it right in the center up front in the opposite direction. Then take these 2 1x1 plates and place them on the other side so that 1x2 tile. Then after here on the sides, place this 1x2 brick with 2 side studs, and put another one on the other side. Okay, and then take a 1x2 slope like this, and then take another 1x2 slope. So now you have partially the walls of this vending machine built up. Next, you're going to take these 2 1x1 bricks and place them off to the sides. Okay? And then, oops, I forgot something in the very bottom right here. Just take off these 3 4 bricks and place a 1x4 plate, and then place them back on. Okay? So next, you're going to take a 1x4 brick, except this is the one with the 3 holes in it where we're going to insert the half pins. Okay? And then take these 2 2x4 tiles, sorry, and just place them off to the side like this, on the side studs of those 2 1x2 bricks. Oops. Okay. So now you have the walls of your vending machine built up. Okay, so now we're going to take this off and make the main mechanism. So first, take 3 of these stacked colored Lego pieces. It's two studs stacked, and insert them in any order you like. Then flip it over, and on the other side, insert these half pins, 3 of them. Then place 3 of these studs on the other side. Just make sure they're in the correct order according to the other side. That way the same color comes out as the button you press. Okay, so now